Hello students. Hello students, a very warm welcome to you. Welcome to Standard 5. Hope you are safe at home and enjoying your vacation. This will be our first webinar where we are together. Please be a little attentive and listen to what I am teaching you. Try to understand also the topic. It's a very simple topic. We have lesson 1 of grammar with the textbook. If you have the textbook, great. If you don't have the textbook, it is perfectly all right. We are doing lesson 1 today. That is the sentence. It is a very simple lesson, and keep a notebook in your hand, a notebook and a pencil with you, please, so that you can write down whatever is important to you. Please keep listening to this video once or twice so you completely understand this lesson. Okay, now what do we mean by a sentence? Normally speaking, a sentence is a group of words which is arranged in such a way that it makes complete sense. That is called a sentence, a group of words. Like in the younger standards, I'm sure you have done jumble words, right? The jumble words are then arranged properly where we make a proper sentence. That is the same thing. The first exercise is also the same thing. They have given you jumble words where we do the correct sentence. So a sentence is a group of words. When you arrange them properly, they make complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So that is very important, and I hope you have understood. It does not seem very difficult, I guess. Once again, the group of words which are arranged in such a way that it makes complete sense is called a sentence. Sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now we have exercise 1 here. They are jumble words where you have to arrange the words properly and make complete sense. The first one is done for you. I'll do the second one for you. Second one, see, you can see that the words here are all jumbled. And we make a proper sentence. The sentence is, bees fly from flower to flower. That is the sentence that we have made. Here bees, B will be capital, and after flower you will put a full stop. Now I don't think this is very difficult, so I want you to do the rest of the sentences on your own. Please at least try. After we finish at least I guess 3 lessons, I have put up the answers for you. So that is the time when you can check the answers. Right now, please, no copywriting. Try to do these sentences on your own. Jumble words should not be very difficult for you to do. So, okay, one more. Cheese, butter and milk made are from. Cheese and butter are made from milk. C capital, and after milk you will put a full stop. Now please do the rest of the sentences on your own. There are in all 11 sentences here where you have jumble words and arrange them in your own. Now we have another thing, and that is a phrase. We just understood what we mean by a sentence. Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Here, now what is a phrase? Phrase are a few words that are put together, but it is not a complete sentence. That is a phrase. Now see, I'll give you an example. In a corner, by night. You probably even understood what I'm trying to tell you, but it is not a complete sentence. It does not make complete sense. You have understood the meaning, what I'm trying to tell you, but it cannot be used. It is used to make a sentence, but it is not a sentence. This is called a phrase, where you have a group of words. By tonight or by night, complete this work by night. If we use this like this, it becomes a complete sentence. But if I just tell you by night, in the corner, by tomorrow, These are phrases. They are a part of the sentence, but they are not sentences. So I hope you have understood what do we mean by phrases. And another very easy way to pick out the phrases are they never begin with a capital letter and they never end with a full stop because they are not complete. It's only a part of the sentence. Please remember, phrase is just a part of the sentence. It is not a sentence. I hope you have understood what I'm trying to tell you. So that is what you need to know about phrases. Here they have given you exercise 2, where you just have to write P if it's a phrase and S if it is a sentence. I'll do the first and the second one for you. See, the first is in the house. Does it begin with a capital letter? Does it have full stop? No. Does it make complete sense? No. So it is a phrase. Let us look at number 2. He is at home. What is this? It is a complete sentence. So here we write S. I guess you can do it. This does not look really difficult for me. So I want you to do exercise 2 on your own, the rest of the sentences. Exercise 3 also, please try to do it in the notebook like I told you. I want a separate notebook for grammar where even if you write in the textbook, please write the whole sentences again in the notebook. Here you can fill up the textbook if you want because they have given you place, but please maintain a notebook also along with this where you write the whole sentences again in the notebook, please. So here this exercise 3 is what? In exercise 2, all those that are phrases, you will make them into your own sentences. Please try to do this exercise. It's easy and not very difficult. This will also help you to frame your own sentences. I'll just give you one example. Say if you take number 9, for my sake. This is a phrase, for my sake. Here if you make a sentence of this, what will you write? Please keep quiet for my sake. You have used this phrase in your own sentence. So complete exercise 3 like that. The answers will follow. Don't worry about the answers, but you try to do this on your own. I hope you have completely understood this lesson. We have just done sentences, what do we mean by a sentence and what do we mean by phrase today, and you have 3 exercises to complete. And with this we also complete our lesson 1. I hope you have enjoyed today's session. See you for now. We meet again when we are doing lesson 2. Bye.